welcome back to the channel. If you like Mustangs with attitude, this one's going to get your heart racing. We're talking about the 2026 Ford Mustang RTR, the first factory-backed Mustang co-developed with an outside partner in decades. Built to slide, burn tires, and blur the line between street legal and track ready. Let's break down what makes this special edition so exciting. From the very start, Ford teamed up with Vaughn Gittin Jr. and RTR Vehicles to create something unique, a Mustang that doesn't just look sporty, it's engineered for drift and performance right from the factory. This is only the second time in Mustang history that Ford has done a full collaboration with an external builder like this. Shelby was the first, and now RTR has that honor. They call it Ready to Rock for good reason. Under the hood, the Mustang RTR is based on the 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine. In stock form, it delivers around 315 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. That's respectable power, especially when combined with all the upgrades RTR and Ford throw at it. There's also an optional Ford performance tune that raises output even higher for those who want a little more blistering throttle response. One of the standout features in this package is the anti-lag system. Yep, Ford pulled some race-derived tech into this car. Anti-lag helps keep the turbo spinning even off throttle, so you get almost no lag when you punch it again. Great for drifting or aggressive driving where throttle response matters. Handling is another major improvement. RTR borrowed parts from the Mustang Dark Horse, things like anti-roll bars, rear subframe, adjustable camber mounts, and more. The Mustang RTR also includes Brembo brakes, 6-piston in front, 4-piston in back, for strong stopping power. For those who want to drift, there's a stability control system in track mode, tuned to allow more drift, more slip before it steps in, paired with adaptive suspension via MagneRide dampers. Visually, the Mustang RTR stands out. It gets an updated front fascia from the Mustang GT, unique RTR grille with illuminated nostrils, and tarnished dark anodized finishes on mirror caps, badges, wheels, and more. There are 19 by 9.5-inch wheels with a 30mm offset and optional Hyperlime accents, bright calipers, seat belts, stitching. It's bold without going overboard. Inside, you'll find RTR touches everywhere. Hyperlime stitching, an RTR serialized dash plaque, illuminated sill plates, and a custom startup graphic on the cluster. The drift brake lever gets the Hyperlime treatment too. All these details show this is no regular Mustang EcoBoost. It's a purpose-built special model. Ford and RTR also focused heavily on giving this Mustang capabilities for novice drifters and enthusiasts alike. The steering has more travel for better control during slides. Track mode allows more slip. There's even a drift track alignment spec you can get, toe and camber settings that help the tires hook up when you want grip and slide when you want to throw it sideways. Let's talk about what this means in practical terms. Torque is immediate. The car feels more responsive off the line and when coming back into throttle. The anti-lag system reduces that lag you always feel when pushing hard. Brakes are strong and confidence-inspiring. Handling is sharper, suspension feels firmer but still usable on street. For many, the RTR Mustang EcoBoost will likely be the sweet spot. Performance, style, drift capability, and a relative affordability compared to the V8 Mustang trims. It takes the fun car DNA of Mustang and pulls it toward something you can more easily push to the limit without needing to heavily modify. Now, it's not perfect. Some purists will miss the V8 rumble. Fuel economy won't be great under aggressive driving. Rear seats and comfort still aren't going to match what luxury cars offer. But for what it is, a Mustang built to slide, built to excite, it hits a lot of the right notes. Production kicks off in summer of 2026, offered on EcoBoost Fastback models with high or premium trim levels. Pricing hasn't been finalized, but it's expected to land in that performance Mustang bracket. more than base EcoBoost, less than high-end trims. What you get is value when you consider the track-derived hardware and RTR's performance DNA baked in from the factory. As the curtain starts lowering on internal combustion engines, the Mustang RTR represents something very special. It's a bridge. It nods to the past of horsepower and drift while offering something modern and attainable. If this is Ford's statement piece for those who still want their cars loud, raw, and sideways, then it might just be one of the most exciting Mustangs in years. So what do you think? Would you go for the RTR Mustang over a Dark Horse or GT if you want drift capability and torque? Is anti-lag worth it, or do you want V8 brute force? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you're as hyped as I am, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more deep dives into the cars that push boundaries. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay loud, stay sideways, and keep the passion alive.